We're sliding! Look out! The car engine is dead.
The snow is so cold, it hurts my face.
There is no time! The wooden roof is cracking above us.
Grandpa Ben? He fell down on the slip. Help! Ellie! Jake, please slow down. The road is very slippery and dangerous. Dad, look over there. Someone is standing near the dark trees.
Right there. He is standing next to the old road sign.
Please tell me the car is okay. We cannot get stuck here.
Everybody grab your warm coats right now. We don't have a choice anymore. The car engine is dead.
The snow is so cold, it hurts my face. I can hear heavy footsteps behind us in the snow. I really do not like this scary place.
Just keep walking towards the light. We must be strong.
It says North Valley Motel. A motel? Out here in the middle of the dark mountain?
Get inside quickly before the freezing wind comes in.
Just another family trapped by the angry mountain. Did you come from the dangerous North Road?
Yes, we drove from that direction. Why do you ask?
That road should be closed during the winter season. They always warn people when it is too late.
Nobody told us anything when we started our journey. Who is that quiet guy near the fireplace?
My name is Mason. I am a traveler just like you. The main roads collapsed this morning because of the ice.
Look at the ceiling! The lights are flickering again! Someone is walking up there!
This old motel always makes strange sounds during big storms. Ellie, Theo, come and sit near the warm fire.
It means the only road out of here is completely gone. Avalanche.
Oh no, the electricity is failing. The power is dying.
More heavy snow is coming. It is bad enough to bury this whole motel by tomorrow morning.
We must leave this building before the storm gets any stronger. There is no time! The wooden roof is cracking above us! Everybody move towards the exit door right now! Run!
Theo, don't let go of the strong rope. Keep moving your legs, children. Dad! Dad! Help!
I will never let you go, Ellie. Hold on tight. One more big pull together.
Keep moving forward immediately. That is the big river flowing near the tunnel entrance. We are very close.
What was that terrifying noise? Grandpa Ben? He fell down on the slippery ice.
Save the young children first! Leave me here!
No, Dad. We cannot leave an old man behind.
Grandpa Ben, grab my strong arm right now. Run to the tunnel entrance immediately. Inside. Everybody move deep inside the cave.
Are we still alive, Dad? Home is not just a building. It is the special people who stay beside you during the storm.
Tonight, young Theo gave me a second chance. That is the only real reason why people survive big storms.
What would you do if you were trapped in a scary storm like this?
And who is the first person you would try to protect? Tell us your answers in the comments below.